They're replacing us with AI. I knew they'd do this. It's horse manure. Knob.
Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, a little bit of hush, please. Thank you. And a warm welcome to Mr. Kahuna.
Kevin, that's enough, Kevin, that's enough, please. Please stop, please stop. Ow. Minions, hello. As you may have noticed, your desks have now disappeared. Let me tell you just what's going on. I know some of you may have heard whispers in other departments that we've been working hand in hand with the Legacy Corp group to introduce their AI-powered thing that does AI things and intelligence space stuff. And as such, based on their expert advice, we've decided to replace you all with this. As the Legacy Corp assures us, you will not be needed.
Replaced by a machine.
Please calm down, please calm down. And your belongings have been put in boxes and bin liners at the back of the room. And as a token of our appreciation, you'll all receive a £10 Greg's voucher. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Please collect your things and leave my building immediately. Kevin, show them out, please.
15 years, Kev.
Oh, I know, long time.
You are a joke.
Thank you.
You're a disgusting human being.
Thank you for the compliment.
See you on the car park, Toad Boy.
Goodbye. Finally.
Kevin, the AI bot. Yes. Yes, yes. Hi, team. With you, me, and 1,000 minds. I'll be unstoppable. Cost savings. Yes.
Test it, Mr. Kahuna.
Okay. AI bot, chase the arrears.
Playing Tears for Fears.
No. Chase the arrears.
Ordering drops for your ears.
No. Pursue the arrears.
Sorry to hear that you have accrued some tears. I have found 14 counseling services in your location. Would you like me to recommend one?
No. Teething problems. Let's start this again. AI bot, I have some repairs for you to instruct.
Initiating self-destruct in 60,
Destruct?
59,
No. Cancel
58.
self-destruct immediately.
Accelerating self-destruct obediently.
No.
3.
No. Kevin,
2,
make it
1.
stop. Kevin, get the minions back. Kevin, get the minions back. I get a refund on them vouchers. Get them back.
There's Kev. Get him.
It's still here, boys.
That's his legs, babe.
Punch him, Jace.
Mummy!